Good morning, you guys. Good morning. Happy Friday. You guys, it's Friday. It's a new day and we are ready to make this money, you guys. I am ready to make this money. Although I'm only working like few hours because my sister is graduating today, so I won't be able to work the whole entire day today. So I'm only working like to 11, and right now it's 7:59. So I only have like 3 hours to work. So I better get orders in these 3 hours. I better get orders. So I just received my first order, you guys. I'm on my way going to Walmart. $18. It's going 2.8 miles, and it's a shopping order. And I'm going to shop 21 items, you guys. 21 items. So I hope I make over $50 before I go. So let's see, y'all. Let's see. Done shopping, you guys. It looks a lot because it's a lot. Most of the items was a big orders, so I can't even push it. It's too many. So I'm going to scan this one and start bagging. Okay, hold on. Let's go drop this one, y'all. Let's go drop it. Okay, I'm coming here, 1327B. I'm going to A, so this other side. All right, let me back it in. Okay. Oh. Just received another order, you guys. $16. It's a curbside order, and it's going 6 miles, and it's two drop off, y'all. So I just started right now, and I'm waiting for them to bring it out. Let's wait. Okay, y'all. She's done loading the items in my car. So right now it's a excuse me. So we are going to deliver, and my first drop off is 6 minutes away. 6 minutes away. So let's go. Okay, first drop off. Yesterday I came to deliver to this place. So let's go. Yeah. Let's go to our next drop off, yeah. Let's go to our next drop off. And this last drop off is going on where I live, like the same street that I live on. That's where we're going. Okay, let's get this bike down. Let's get this bike down. Y'all, so I almost forgot y'all to end this video. Almost forgot. Anyway, I only did 2 orders in the morning. I already did 2 orders, and my sister ended up calling me. Where are you? Where are you? Because as a family, we plan to do a party for her, so we have to cook. So they was waiting for me, like, where are you? For me, I had my own schedule to go, but they said you need to be here ASAP. So I ended up going before 11. I think I went there around 9 or 10. I don't remember. Anyway, so I'm here to end my video and letting you guys know that we hit our 4,000 hours. Oh my gosh, what can I say, y'all? Thank you. Thank you so much, you guys. 4,000 watch hours is so hard to get when you want to be monetized on YouTube. Like, when I wrote my goals, when I started this YouTube channel, of course I had to write my goals when to reach my 4,000 watch hour and my subscribers, 1,000 subscribers. You guys, I had my goals on April, on my birthday, to reach 4,000 hours. Like April of next year. But reaching 4,000 watch hour by 3 months, like, it shocked me, you guys. It shocked me. Because because this is my second channel, you guys. I have my first channel. It took me forever to reach 4,000 watch hour. It really did. So that's why I'm here to thank you guys. Thank you so much. Without you watching my video, and I just realized a lot of you watched the whole entire video. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Continue supporting your girl, you guys. Oh my God. I don't know I don't know what to say to you guys. All I can say is thank you and continue supporting your girls. And we almost at 1,000 subscribers, you guys. I know as soon we're gonna be at 1,000. We're gonna reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for your support. Anyway, let me end this video over here. I love you guys. Continue supporting me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to comment. I love you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.